HVAC and refrigeration is a career. We are important. We got value. We provide a beautiful service for people, for hospitals, for offices, for everybody. The good thing about this trade is that we cover electrical, plumbing, and air conditioning. So they're pretty much gonna be out of here ready to be successful. The lab pretty much is hands-on. They're working every single unit here, from the smallest air conditioning system to the biggest refrigeration commercial units. It is very, very important for them to be touching everything, to learn how to welding, how to bend the pipes, how to troubleshoot the system, how to be safe all the time. It is a good career. They're gonna have so many different opportunities. This job is beautiful because once you get into your truck, you keep running all day. You're not staying on the same place all day. Different service call, different type of problems. So it is interesting to be working and the day passed like nothing. Every student, when they complete the program, they are ready to be on the field.